Good morning all of you. Today we will discuss about the solution of this question. If alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial px equals to 4x square minus 3x minus 7, ठीक है, then 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is equals to option A 7 by 3, option B minus 7 by 3, option C 3 by 7 and option D minus 3 by 7. Okay, so here we can write the solution. Our polynomial is px is equals to 4x square minus 3x minus 7. According to question, it have two roots, alpha and beta. Yes or no? Now we compare the given quadratic polynomial with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Yes or no? On comparing the coefficient of x square, we get a equals to 4. Now we compare the coefficient of x, so we get b equals to minus 3. And now we compare the constant term, then we get c equals to minus 7. Yes or no? We know that sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial alpha plus beta, that is equals to minus b upon a. Yes or no? So we get alpha plus beta is equals to minus, and here we put the value of b, that is equals to minus 3 upon, and put the value of a, that is equals to 4. So here we can write alpha plus beta equals to minus minus plus, so 3 upon 4, that is equation number first. Yes or no? After that we also know that product of zeros that is alpha beta equals to c upon a. Yes or no? So here we can write alpha into beta equals to, and we put the value of c, that is minus 7 upon, and we put the value of a, that is equals to 4. That is equation number second. Yes or no? Now we want to find a value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Yes or no? So here we take LCM, that is equals to alpha beta. Now we divide our LCM by denominator of first fraction. Alpha beta divided by alpha. So alpha is cancelled by this alpha. So we multiply 1 with this beta. Yes or no? After that we can write plus 1 into. Okay, now alpha beta is divided by second, denominator of second fraction, that is beta. Beta is cancelled by this beta, so we get alpha. So 1 into alpha. Yes or no? After that we get 1 into beta, beta plus 1 into alpha, alpha upon alpha into beta. Yes or no? ठीक है, we know that addition of two number satisfy commutative law. Okay, so beta plus alpha also can be written as alpha plus beta. Yes or no? Or upon alpha beta. Okay, now we using equation number first and equation number second, and put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta from equation first and second respectively. Okay, so here we put the alpha plus beta is equals to 3 upon 4 from equation number first, and put the value of alpha beta, that is equals to minus 7 upon 4 from equation number second. So here we cancel 4. Now we get 3 upon minus 7. Okay, plus minus minus, so we can write minus 3 by 7. Okay, so option D minus 3 by 7 is correct.